Here comes Amtrak's Pacific Surfliner into the Fullerton Transportation Center, which is heading south to San Diego. And this train is a two-story train, as usual. For those of you that don't know about the Amtrak's Pacific Surfliner, which runs from San Diego, between San Diego and San Luis Obispo. Here it comes.
Classic Surfliner matchup, really.
This thing. This looks pretty cool.
No. These engines are going to be gone soon.
They are?
The F-59 PHIs. Yeah.
Here it comes.
Amtrak train 590, 1588, last call, all aboard.
Some of the Amtrak passengers are getting off here, and some will be boarding, heading to San Diego. As you can see on the car. They have all the sites that you can go to. It's pretty cool. Ocean Beach being one of them. As you can, it's got Grover Beach on it, which is up north. One day we're gonna go to Grover Beach.
Yeah.
Go party it up in Grover Beach.
We will.
Go party it up.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm down. We'll do some stuff up there, and maybe we can ride this up there if you're down for it.
I am.
You're down to go up to Grover Beach?
If we're riding the Surfliner, I'd rather go to San Luis Obispo.
Let's go to.
There's a lot of stuff to do there.
Yeah, let's go to
Not a
San
whole
Luis
lot to do in Grover
Obispo.
Beach unless you have a car.
Let's go to San Luis Obispo first, then we could go to Grover Beach someday.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
Right. Hi, camera. We're here watching the train.
This Surfliner is getting ready to head south. We are heading back down to Costa Mesa in Orange County. We already saw all the trains that I wanted to see, and I'll be riding. I'll tell you guys right now is that I will be riding on one of these trains out of Irvine next week to go to San Diego. Should be a pretty cool ride.
Oh, that one has a fresh plow. It's a fresh snow plow. It's kind of cool.
Fresh snowplow, like Illuster said, pretty cool.
But not like there's any snow around here.
Not like that we're gonna live in a place with snow. We live in a dry ass place.
They must have like hit something, busted the snow plow.
They don't really. The Surfliner doesn't go really anywhere where the Surfliner doesn't go anywhere, to be exact, where there's snow.
No,
They just stay along the coast. We live in a dry ass climate. For those of you that don't know what Southern California is like, but I'm sure you guys got an idea. I would think. All right, we'll catch you all later. Bye.